In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove password from PDF file in iPhone, PDF password unlock. Let's begin. So you're going to head over to any web browser of your choice, and you're going to type in I love PDF remove password in the search bar. Once you're done, look for something which says I love PDF, unlock PDF files, remove PDF password. So select it. Afterwards, there's going to be a red button which says select PDF files. So select it. Then choose the password-protected PDF file. Go to the top right and select Open. Head over to the bottom right and select Unlock PDF. Wait a few seconds, and once it is done, it's going to automatically download the unlocked PDF file. So head over to the bottom right and select Save, and choose Files. Now, if you want to view the unlocked PDF, simply select Open at the bottom right. And as you can see here, our PDF no longer leaves a password. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.